This is your walking in nature meditation. So for this meditation, I invite you to keep your eyes open. We don't want any accidents happening. And find somewhere that you can be near a tree, some grass, some water. It doesn't have to be a big open field. It might just be a tiny patch of greenery in your city or a little bit in your garden. So just take some calming breaths in and out. Allow your breath to regulate, breathing normally in through the heart and out through the heart. And gently take the fingertips of one hand and tap on your chest, on your thymus, and the fingertips of the other hand, and tap in between your eyebrows. And as you're tapping, affirm these words: I now release anything and everything that stands between me and inner peace. I am willing to let go of anything and everything that stands between me and inner peace. I allow myself to release all that stands in the way of my inner peace. And then put your hands by your side and continue walking. Just pausing to notice whatever is around you. So first of all, we're just going to be aware of all that we can see. The little squirrel up ahead, the trees, the bridge, the sunlight as it comes through the camera, water, and the ducks. Just be aware of all the nature around you. Really see the minute detail of everything. Allow this beautiful unfolding scene to absorb into the core of your being. And then just be consciously aware of all that you can hear. There may be the voices of other people as they walk past, maybe the sounds of kids playing or dogs barking. Might be the sound of the wind blowing Wind rustling in the trees. Just be aware of the sounds. And then as you're walking along, just be aware of what you can feel. What does the ground feel like beneath your feet as you take one step and then another? How does this ground feel? Is it hard? Or maybe it's soft? Maybe it's muddy. What does it feel like to put your feet in that squidgy mud? Or maybe you're walking on grass. How does that feel under your feet? Notice what it feels like to have the wind, the breeze blowing through your fingers. What does it feel like to touch some of the weeds that might be growing, or the wildflowers? How do the leaves feel? And take a nice deep breath in. And notice any smells coming through your nose. Where else would the smells be coming through? What can you smell? Do the leaves have a scent? Or maybe you'll buy some flowers, some blossoms. What do they smell like? What does it feel like to be using all of your senses out in nature? What difference does it make to how you appreciate nature? Do this for as long as you choose on your walk. Even if it's just for a few moments, or maybe a few hours. How does it feel? And we're just going to close this meditation by taking the fingertips of one hand and tapping in the center of your chest, and the fingertips of the other hand tapping in between your eyebrows. So just tapping nice and gently as you affirm, I tune into this feeling of inner peace. I know that I am at one with nature, and I allow the beautiful energy of Mother Nature to revive me, to boost my energy, and to bring me back to a place of peace and calm. And stop tapping and gently put your hands by your side and have a wonderful, wonderful day.